Apodaca, and I'm going to be demonstrating two different ways how to solve ratio and proportion problems using tables. So my first example, we have a recipe that we're going to be making pancakes, and the recipe uses 3 cups of flour and 2 cups of milk. So we're going to draw a table. We have flour and milk. So 3 cups of flour and our 2 cups of milk. So next we want to know how much milk is needed to mix with 9 cups of flour. So we're going to draw a divider, and now our next step, okay, we're going to draw in, okay, our 9 cups of flour, well, how much milk to use the same ratio. So in order to get from 3 to 9, how do we do that? Well, what's 3 times 3? 9. And as we did times 3 on this side, we have to do multiply by 3 on this side as well. And what's 2 times 3? 6. So for every 9 cups of flour that we use, we're going to have to use 6 cups of milk. Our ratio continues. Okay, so in this next example, we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to do goldfish and guppies, and we're going to solve in a different way using division and multiplication. So in a fish tank, the ratio of goldfish to guppies is 6 to 5. We have 6 goldfish to every 5 guppies. Okay, so next, there are 30 guppies, so how many goldfish are there? So we know that there are 30 guppies, but how many goldfish? And so the reason that I left a space here is because instead of going from 5 straight to 30, maybe it'll be easier to go from 5 to 1 and then from 1 to 30, as so. So what's 5 divided by 5? It's 1. So since we divided by 5 down here on the bottom, we have to do the same thing with our goldfish. Divided by 5. So we'll just put 6/5. Keep it simple. Alright, so how do we get from 1 to 30? Multiply by 30. And again, we're going to do the same thing on top. Okay, so what's 6 times 30? 180. And this is over 5. Alright, and 180 divided by 5 is 36. Okay, so our answer is 36 goldfish and 30 guppies are inside of our fish tank. So these are 2 different ways in order to solve ratio and proportion problems. And both of these problems are very different and worded differently, so this is giving you the ratio already ahead of time. And this is just saying, okay, our recipe, 3 cups of flour to 2 cups of milk. And you can continue making multiple batches of this, but just to figure out using 2 different methods. So, all right, thank you.